Welcome everyone. A warm welcome on this Sunday. I'm really glad that we have about 19 participants with us, and more will be joining us as we go ahead. The way I have done the setup is I have my laptop in front of me and also my mobile phone. So I'll be speaking from there. So it's a warm welcome to everyone on this Sunday session. So this Sunday session is our next week's session. So we completed the first week which was there, and this would be a demo session. Okay, so it's a demo session that we are taking, and we'll be moving ahead on this. So warm welcome. So let's do multitasking. Check in your group. There should be other people who should be joining in. So all your team members, teammates, check on your WhatsApp messages. Invite them. Okay, so these are your friends, these are your colleagues, these are your buddies. Check and find out why they are not here. Okay, so do that, kindly do that. And so while others are there, what we are going to do is put it on chat message, share, say hi, say hello, say good morning. Okay, so Darshana, Chetna, Deepa, warm welcome, good morning. Dilip, Jaya, Simran, Nazar, Neelapuri, warm welcome to everyone. Green Park, Green Park. Nisha, Pushpa, Radha, everyone, warm welcome. Ranjana, Reena, Seema Chaudhary, Shalaka, Sonika, and Shweta. Okay, so I hope I'm not missing other people out there. Usha, Vandana, and Lakshmi. Okay, so everyone, warm welcome, and ensure that you have all your participants, all your team members over here. Even if it will need a minute or 2 minutes from our end to ensure that all the people from your life, or sorry, from your group are over here. So check it out with your people. Okay, answer. So
Arun, can I just take a minute?
Sure. Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so fantastic. We have 31 people on the meeting. Guys, Arun is streaming from 2 devices. So we are 30 people in this particular gathering on a Sunday morning. It really talks a lot about you. And now I want to promise for this 1 hour, what Arun is going to do is magical. So let us all stand कि हम ये 1 घंटा इतना पूरी तरह से इसमें घुस जाएंगे कि अपने गोल्स के अकम्प्लिशमेंट का आज पहला दिन है. ऐसे सोचिए कि आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं हमारे गोल्स के साथ. ओके, एंड प्लीज, आई मीन दैट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट एंड आल्सो अ डिमांड कि हम हर कोई 1 घंटे के लिए सब कुछ बाजू में रख के डिक्लेयर करिए घर पे कि मैं 1 घंटा अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ, और पूरी तरह से इसके अंदर बैठिए. ओके, take your paper, pen, whatever Arun is showing, you may want to do everything that he says, every instruction. Arun, are we going to work simultaneously on our goals on our laptop?
Absolutely, yes, we are going to do that.
Yeah, so keep your document ready, guys. कुछ भी आपके पास जहाँ लिखा है digital, physical, वो तैयार रखिए. And here, Arun, we are at 11:05. Here we go. Thank you so much, Arun, for this allowing me to speak.
Thank you so much.
One last thing, everybody will see that you are on mute. We have already muted you upon entry. I don't know, for some reason people unmute themselves. There is no requirement to unmute unless Arun says. वो भी अगर आप unmute करते हो तो आप 35 लोगों के लिए responsible हो. Immediately अपने आप को mute कर देना, so that he can be on the floor. Yeah, thank you, Arun.
Fantastic. So Darshana, you have a laptop in front of you. Can you share your screen? Is it possible?
Yes, Arun. What of my screen you want to be shared?
So just yeah. So open your screen, and I'll give you a through. Go to Google search.
You want me to open? I'm sorry, there's a little audio issue. 1 second.
Yeah. From your laptop.
Yeah.
So put it on Shing over here, and just the Google search.
Okay, Google Sheet. Okay, got it. So you want me to open the Google, huh?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Sorry, my audio was a little bit this. Now it is fine. So 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. So this is my Google. Yep.
Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. So so everyone on the chat, put it whether you have a laptop in front of you. So that's the first question that I'm asking through the day. The reason is we are going to have a demo session. We are going to have a demo of working on your goals and working on your spreadsheet. So the first question that I'm asking to you on your chat message, if you have your laptop in front of you, and the question is yes, no, maybe type of question. So say no if you don't have it right now, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so if you have it as yes, fantastic. Okay, so even that is good. That is better. Okay. Okay, so many of us, we are saying no. Many of us, we are saying, few of us are saying yes, and many of them are saying no. That's absolutely okay. Okay, so those of you who have it, it's an opportunity for you to work on your goals as we go on further. Okay, so Darshana, what I want you to do is there is an object. The objective for us today is to how to work on your buddy review. So how do you do buddy review? And for that reason, we need to have certain tools in place. Okay, so one of the tool is we need to have Google Sheets. Okay, so I want you to write in on the Google search, Google Sheets and Android or iOS, so that people are able to see which is the place from where they can download it or they can install it. Now, I know many of us, we are already aware about this. We are tech savvy, but this is for those people who are not so familiar with computers, who are not so familiar with mobile phone. Okay, so which is the place or how do they install it? So we just want to show the screen the place from where they can install. Okay, so Google Sheets, if you type in Android, it will take you to the Play Store from where you can download it. Okay, so show both the Play Store as well as Apple's App Store so that we know how it looks like. And there's just one button, which is install button, and we can install it. So if you can show it.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is iOS. It went to the App Store.
Fantastic. So this is iOS. All the people who are using iPhone, this is a place from where you can download your Google Sheet. Okay, so Google Sheet is a very good tool or an app that we can use. Similarly for Android, show the place from where we can install or we can download. Fantastic, fantastic, superb, superb. So this is the place from where we can install it on our Android phone. Okay, so there is no doubt about it. And many of us, we already know about this. You might say that, and you might think that, oh, this is so basic. But for all those people who stumble on this, they might find it difficult. Okay, so any person over here who is still finding it to be difficult to get access or to get Google Sheet to be downloaded, say yes, I have a problem. So put it on chat if you are someone who has this, because if not, then we are assuming that everyone is at par with us and we know how to use it. Okay, so anyone share it over here. I have a problem. So we have our team. We have all the leaders. I have a training team with me. They will get back to you. They will take to you on your mobile phone, step by step. How do you install? They will help you do it. Okay, so anyone, having this problem, share it on the chat message saying that I have a problem. I need help in this. If not, that's fine. If not, then I will assume that you already have it. Okay, so you already have it. I'll take it. Everyone over here present knows and how to access it and how to use it. Another tool similar to this is Google Calendar. So type in on Google search Google Calendar, both for Apple as well as for Android. Again, people, if you have mobile phone, you can access your Play Store, download it. If you don't have these apps, search on your phone. If these apps are there, is it there with me? If not, then install it, download it. Okay, so quickly search it. How many of you are already having calendar app or a software? Now you might be using Outlook or some other software. That is fine. You should have at least one app which will take care of your calendar. Okay, so
even calendar will do, है ना?
Google Calendar will do by default. When you use the Android phone, Google Calendar comes with that. So you should have one calendar that you are sticking to. Okay, if you come from Android using it, you're coming from iPhone user, your phone user, you have and you are using it, you are seeing it.
Arun, can't hear you. Are you on mute?
Yes.
Event. Okay, so create a calendar event from your laptop. Okay, so the way you could do it is Google Calendar. You go to that link. It will be a web link, and will So it would be a web link, and you can use your Gmail account and open Google Calendar. Okay. So guys, even if you are going so today, that's absolutely fine. We are going step by step, and each step is very important. Okay. So that's how your Google Calendar looks like. Now you might be using another app, and it will also have a same look and feel. Okay, fantastic. Now over here, what I want you to learn or do is, if you press C, okay, so C is a shortcut. So if Darshana presses C, a dialog box will come in which says, okay, this is the place where you can add your calendar. Okay, now what should be done is, you would be having a buddy. Okay, so you have a buddy or you have a team who, of a trio, who are your buddies. So what you have to do is, you have to decide a time of 20 minutes where you are going to have a buddy review. Okay, so what Darshana is going to type in for us is, she is going to write, do buddy review, let's say on Sunday at 3 p.m. Okay, so 3 p.m. to, let's say, 3:30. Okay, and so today will be the timing, and a drop down will be from 3 to 3:30. Okay, observe this. The fields that she is using. So she is using date field, she is using time field, when it starts, when it stops. Okay, and so there is a save button. She can save it if she wants. If there is a link that you want to share with your buddy, that we have to come on Zoom link, or we have to come on Google Meet link, she can do it by entering the details over here. She needs to have the email ID of the buddy, or she needs to have email ID of the cluster or trio. so that the email IDs can be added over here. Once she is able to click on the save button, this calendar appointment remains in her, this appointment remains in her calendar. It will show up when, she has to do it. It will also show up on your team's calendar, your buddy's calendar, because you have added his or her name in Gmail. Okay, so let's say, Darshana is adding my email ID, which is arunkw@gmail.com. Okay, so just for
where do I put the email address?
email ID arunkw@gmail.com.
कहाँ डालना है आपका email address?
Guest में, guest.
यहीं पे ना? हाँ.
Fantastic. Save. It will. Okay, so here's there is the clue. The clue is all supervisors to do this. Have to do this activity. That is, they have to fill in the Google Calendar, and they have to invite their team members for the buddy review. Okay, so we have two trios, trio 1 and trio 2. So you will have do buddy review on Sunday, trio 1, and do buddy review on Sunday again for trio 2. This all super leaders will do. Now leaders, you will be the you will be joining this buddy review. Now for next batch, which will be 5.0, you will be needed. You will have your own team. You will have your own participants. So you will also do this exercise of doing adding in the calendar, do the buddy review for my team, for my trio, or for my cluster. So learn right now how to do it, so that in next batch, when you'll be doing it for your team full-fledged, you know how to do it. Okay, you need to get their email IDs, add it here in the guest list, these details, and save it. Okay, so press save, Darshana. Okay, an email will be sent to them. Okay, so send an email and it goes. So this, if you see, it has come in her calendar. Okay, and it will show up on her mobile phone. If you view it, you can view it again. And if you want to change the details, you can change the details as well. If you want to have a notification, a reminder, you can have those things also. So any questions, any doubt, or any difficulty on how to create an event or appointment on calendar? Can I take it that yes, you have understood it? Okay, I know many of you might be thinking, oh, I haven't done it once, so I still don't know. Okay, so take an opportunity. Today, you can create one dummy calendar appointment for yourself and see if you're able to do it. If you're able to, have access.
So Arun, I have a question to everybody. कि आपके पास किसके पास Google Calendar नहीं है? Can you please say cite me? किसके पास नहीं है? How many of you are not having Google Calendar? Please cite me. Put it in the chat. Google Calendar जो होता है, वो कहाँ मिलता है हम लोगों को अरुण? Where can they see it?
Yeah, so Google Calendar.
You don't have it. Yeah, okay, yes.
Okay, so Google Calendar, if you put Google, you will get as calendar.google.com.
Put it in the chat now, Arun. Everybody can see.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you so much for responding, and that we know that you don't have the calendar. Those who have it, please be a little patient.
Will reach out to you. What whatever help support you need, will reach out to you. Your training team will reach out to you. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go to Google search. Okay, so this is done. Absolutely. So this is done. Okay, so we went on Google Calendar. Now we know how to do Google Calendar. So let's now move ahead. Now what we want to do is we want to access docs.google.com. Okay, so this is a place where all the documents are there. So we want to reach to docs.google.com. Okay, so we'll need to do signing using Gmail ID. Fantastic.
I'm already there.
So yeah, so you're already there. So on the Google Docs, go to Google Docs. Yes, from there. Yes, fantastic. So guys, see all the icons. You saw there was blue icon, which is Google Docs, and you also saw there is a green icon, which is Sheets. So let's go either to Sheets or let's go to Sheet because we want to speak about Sheets. So let's go there.
Professor, can you explain what's the difference between the two?
Yeah, so Google Docs is equivalent to our Microsoft Word document. So we have Microsoft Word documents, which we either use it for resume writing or any Word document and so. Whereas Sheets are similar to Microsoft Excel sheet. So Excel sheet we have worked so many times, and these two things are offering from Google itself. Okay, so let's go to Sheets.
Yes. So
Okay.
which one? Blank?
So here, yeah. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet that we are able to use it. So my first question to you is there anyone who would find it difficult to reach to this place, or who would say that okay, this would be a difficult task or a difficult challenge for me, because then
अभी
we will
कौन
have
कौन है
our
इस पे?
team.
Right now, have anybody opened it? Or you want to show again this step? Let them open it in the laptop, no?
Yeah, so those of you who have a laptop, please open it on your laptop.
I'm doing it one more time if they want to see.
Okay. So Darshana, let me show you from my screen as well, so that they get different different perspective. So if you can give my laptop a sharing.
So I'll stop there, you can share, okay? Yeah. And let's work simultaneously what Arun is doing.
Yeah, fantastic. Guys, what I have done is, this is the place, it will, the screen share will come in front of you. This is the place. This is the place where all the sheets are there. Okay, so all my sheets are listed over here. Okay, so all the sheets are listed over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a sheet. Now this is called as a template for review, and this is the sheet that we want to work on.
Arun,
Okay, so
Arun, I have a question. कि अभी आपकी स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं तो साइमल्टेनियसली कैसे काम कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, so what you can do is this template for buddy review, I'm sharing it with you. Okay, so if you go over here, I'm sharing it with you on the chat message, and you can click on that link and you can open it up. Okay, so मैं अभी आपको भेज देता हूँ. If you are on mobile phone also, You can click on the link, and if you have your Google Sheet installed, then you can open it from your mobile phone as well. So ये possibility भी हो सकती है.
और जो लोग मोबाइल अरुण जो लोग लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहे हैं ना, वो शायद मोबाइल पे मीटिंग अटेंड करें और लैपटॉप पे काम करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम ऑन लैपटॉप आई गो ऑन अनदर विंडो, आई कैन नॉट सी योर स्क्रीन. तो गाइस जिनके पास लैपटॉप है वो मोबाइल से ये मीटिंग को मोबाइल से अटेंड करिए और लैपटॉप पे काम करिए. विल दैट वर्क अरुण?
Yes, perfect. So here is the thing. The sheet है, this is a template for the buddy review. Okay, so we are going to work on this template, and in this template, in this sheet or in this file, there are two tabs. One name is #G and the other name is #M. So I'll explain you. तो पहले करना क्या है, all the super leader for 4.0, they have to use this template. Go to file. If you see I'm doing that, go to file, make a copy of it. आपको उनको ये copy बनानी है so that this template they can use it for themselves. Okay, so if I click on it, make a copy of it, so this copy will be created. So let's say I am Seema. Okay, so let's say I'm a super leader Seema, and this is buddy review for the team Seema. Okay, तो मैंने यहाँ पे अगर type in किया, so this will be a file which me as a Seema will use it. Okay, now what I have to do is, तो ये मेरी हो गई from the template I created for myself. Okay.
Or it is requesting
now
access.
What? Yeah. Okay. So what I have to do is, sorry.
आपने जो लिंक दी है, वो लिंक पे हम लोग क्लिक करते हैं तो it is saying that request access.
Oh, so
yeah, that's same. I was saying the same thing, Arun. You need to give us all super leaders the ID accesses first.
Got it. ठीक है.
और open for all.
I'm getting the link. इसमें pick बना दे तो anyone with the link can view it. Anyone with the link, in fact, can view it if you want. Yeah, so you can do that. So ये check it out. This will be now available to you. It is available. यहाँ पे जो icons हो रहे हैं, if you see there are so many icons which are getting added. So what it means is people are accessing it. आपको करना क्या है, super leaders को यहाँ से आपका खुद का copy बनाना है. So super leaders are there. So Vikas is there, Seema is there, Rajesh is there, I am there. So all of us, these super leaders, we have to do it in 4.0. Okay. Now in next batch, which is 5.0, leaders will have to make the sheet, a copy of the sheet for their team. Okay, so they can work on it. So for example, Abhi, so they know how to do it. Okay, all you have to do is use this as a template and create it for yourself and your team. Okay, so now let's take an example of Seema ji. Okay, so Seema ji ka ye sheet hai. This is her sheet. What she is going to do is, she is first going to rename the sheet. The place where # and # is written, she is going to use her name initials. So Seema Badaya, so SNB. SNB, vertical line G. And similarly, in the measurement, she's going to have over here her initial. Now, if there are, if there are trio members over here, for her, what she's going to do is, she's going to go on this tab and make a duplicate. Okay, तो यहाँ पे you would have got an idea. Seema ji का goals यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. All her measurements will come here. What about her team's goals and measurements? So for her team's goals and measurements, she is going to create a duplicate of this. Okay, so there is a duplicate which got created. और वो जो बंदा है, वो जो बंदे का जो नाम होगा, लेट्स से अमिताभ बच्चन इज द नेम ऑफ दैट बंदा, ओके, तो उसका एक गोल लिस्ट हो गया, एंड सिमिलरली अमिताभ बच्चन का एक मेजरमेंट शीट हो गया. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ फन नेम so that you know which is there. Okay, so you got this. Now let's say,
Yeah, Varun,
yeah, Arun.
Varun, I have one submission here.
Yes.
One caution: while you copy it, the way to save it is to go to like there's a folder. It will say save to your folder, or you can go to shared folders and go and save in Plan to Win. So it's accessible to everyone.
Yes. Yeah. So you can.
Otherwise, it's going to get saved in everyone's personal folders, which may not be of use. So I think, Arun, to
Yeah.
give access to the super leaders, the new ones,
Yes.
the Plan to Win folder is also one of the things.
Yes. Yes.
I've just saved my sheet already.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. See, yes, once you miss sheet, no, there is move option. Okay. So one make the sheet, there is move option, and in this have a shared folder, Plan to Win. So I'm going to move this sheet to Plan to Win, and it has got moved. So what will happen is all our Plan to Win sheets are there, and we as a super leaders will be able to see kin kin logo ka sheets aa gaya hai. So we know we are not missing even a single person who is dedicated to work on his goals. Uska goals ka list hamare paas nahi hai. We want to be accountable, and we want to be a stand for the goals that you are working on. Okay, so fantastic suggestion. Thank you, Gitanjali. You gave it at right point at right moment. Okay.
Then another question
see,
over here. Sorry, Arun. Irrelevant to this is that all the leaders are to be added in this, or we also copy our own review sheet here, or just the leaders are added here because they will review each other, right?
Yes. Yes. So so in Avengers, in Super Leaders, we have Team Red and Team Blue, where the red is me and my team, or my small team will have the sheet, and Gita, with Darshana, she and her team will have the sheet, and we have that sheet as one sheet, one integrated sheet. So we will be able to see each and everyone's goals. So that is there. With the super leader and their team. So we have maximum 8 people. All 8, into 2. We have goals measured. 16 tabs should be there. So Seema ji ka badi review, Seema, यहाँ पे 16 tabs आएंगे. Okay, and again that's the reason we are taking initials. We are not taking lengthy names for the sheet. We are just using initial names, goals, and measurements.
So again,
Okay,
Arun,
is
I
that
have a
clear?
submission here. Just one submission again, which will forward the conversation. Is that my suggestion is SLs do not enter their goals here because we will be duplicating our sheet. That doesn't make sense to me. The SLs will have their sheets already in the Avenger. This must be the leaders, 7 people only, I think. Whatever.
Got it.
You can finalize whatever makes sense.
Yeah. So see, I mean, duplicating, we can avoid duplication. That is possible. It's a bit advanced. So let's stick with the basic. Abhi ke saath karna kya hai? We need to work on that. Okay. So let's move on. What's the basic with the sheet? Okay. What is the objective? What is it that we are going to do with the sheet? So if you see goals sheet, there are columns. Number 1 column is a tick mark column. Okay, यहाँ पे we do a tick mark. If you see, there is a check box. Second is we have a current active projects. So that's the name of the project that we have to write. Next is the aim of the goal, or aim of the project. Okay. And then we have current status, we have declaration, we have deadline, and we have areas of life. Okay, so let me repeat it again. Column number 1 पे tick mark है. So this tick mark is for there so that once your goals are complete, you can tick mark it. ये done हो गया. I can click on it and I can say this tick mark. Okay, and yeah, so I can click on it and I can say tick mark, and I can edit the name of my goal. Okay, so I'll write in the name of my goal. I'll write in the aim or objective of my goal. Current status में I'm going to check. Okay, so current status mein I'm going to check what is the current status for the week and declaration. So here is one thing. On the chat message, let's have a demonstration of this. On the chat message, let's have a demonstration of this. How many of you are ready with your one record of goal? Okay, so how many of you are ready with your one record of goal so we can use this? Okay, so we have Shweta, we have Jaya, we have Seema, we have Gitanjali. So we can take demonstration from one person. Okay, who can show us, who can give a walkthrough or a tour. Okay, so Seema is saying that she is ready. She has her laptop in front of us and she can give a tour. Anyone else who is ready in front of you, who can give us a walkthrough of one of your goals? Okay, so let me see if there are more people over here who are in ready position, ready state. Okay, so put it on chat if you're ready. I'm looking at your chat. Okay, so Seema Badaya is saying that she has her screen and she can share it. So let's see if we can share her screen and quickly take record through one. Okay, now Hamza had asked this question: do we write goals of each of the team member? Goal, सीमा जी का गोल सीमा जी लिखेंगे, हमजा का गोल हमजा लिखेगा. ओके, सो हर बंदे का गोल वो खुद लिखेगा, बट जो आपका लीडर है, he is going to ensure कि आपने लिखा है. You are not missing it out. Okay, you are not missing it out. You are not skipping this exercise. Okay, so he is accountable कि आप काम कर रहे हो, आप homework कर रहे हो. He is your teacher. Okay, so got it. Yeah, so Seema ji, are you ready in front of your laptop? Maybe we can, share the screen from which is at you. So Darshana, just check if we can share Seema's.
Yeah, anybody can share the screen. I have allowed it here.
Yeah, so Seema ji, quickly put on your screen on the share and be clear. एक ही गोल बताना है. Be clear. Give us a walkthrough so that we know how you're demonstrating one example. Yeah. So guys, let's wait. The screen might take a minute or so to show up. Okay, so this is. I can also show it on my screen. We have it, but it would be amazing to see it for someone who is doing it for the first time. Okay, so how the person who has just learned it and doing it for the first time is able to use it immediately. Okay, so while Seema is trying to do it, are there any other standby leaders who have the goal sheet in front of you? How about you, Shweta, Jaya? Can I get yes from you? Okay, so Shweta is saying I have a single goal. We can go single goal also. That is absolutely. Just check. I think because Seema, she might be having some trouble getting her laptop.
Can I share the
into
screen?
sheet.
Can I share the screen now?
We are yes. Go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just see my screen is open. I'll share the screen.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Can you see it? Should I put this here? Can you see it? Can you see it?
It has not come. It has not yet come.
No. So are you making me the host so that I can share the screen?
Seema, you can share
Yeah.
the screen. What
Yeah,
you
I'll
do
share
is,
it.
first you have to open the document.
Yeah, I opened the document. The document is ready.
Go to share screen. Go to share
Yeah.
screen.
Okay, I
और
have
जहाँ
done
पे
that.
आपको वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखेगा उस पे क्लिक कर डबल क्लिक करो अपने आप खुल जाएगा.
हाँ.
Just double click it will open.
See, is it open now? Can you see it?
No, no.
No.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Let us do it one more time, Seema.
Yeah, see
are you
the
very-
screen. Okay, I'll say start the screen broadcast. See, start broadcast.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it's starting broadcast. And now you will
That
see the
is
screen.
well. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. This is you are doing it
Now-
from mobile. Okay?
Yeah, I'm
Wow,
showing it from my
that's-
mobile.
Oh, wow. And in fact, this from the mobile phone. Okay, irrespective
Yes.
of whether you use laptop.
Laptop or
Uh,
anything. I'm using it
or
directly
anything.
from the mobile. Yeah.
Yes. So Simi, so the place in front of you, what I want you to do is, आपने यहाँ पे fitness का है, तो
हाँ.
screen वाला है, यहाँ पे if you delete the second row because आपने तीसरी issue है, so delete the second row.
क्या करूँ? Delete करूँ? Current status and all that?
उसका ऊपर खाली है, तो उसे delete कर दो.
I'm not able to hear you. What should I delete?
ये जो second row है, वो खाली है.
हाँ हाँ.
वो delete कर दीजिए. Is it possible?
I'll try.
Okay.
So this I have to delete, right? All the other details I have to delete. I mean, the first, second, they are empty. Should I delete them?
Fitness ऊपर लीजिए, copy paste top.
Fitness को first bench पे ले आऊँ?
Yes, copy.
Okay. Copy.
हो जाएगा.
Copy. It's not copying right now. Copy.
And सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं ना, I have a
हाँ.
request. Stay put, guys. Stay put. It might look overwhelming, but don't worry. Super leaders है, Arun है. You know, everybody is going
I'm not able to
support you.
copy right now on the phone. Maybe I'll do it on the laptop. But
Got it.
yeah.
No,
So
no problem. No.
so now the fitness
next
is gone.
time-
Fitness is gone now. No, it's there. It's
Chandra
there.
can also present.
No. So
Yeah.
don't worry about it's possible that we don't have practice on using Silk, so that's okay. Don't get overwhelmed. We have tech team as well, so that
Yeah.
we can work on this. So go to first first column, Seema ji.
Yeah.
Seema, go to first column.
Yeah. The
नहीं,
aim,
जो-
the why of the goal.
नहीं,
The
तो
why of goal.
नहीं पहले ये जो
This
fits यहाँ पे what are you saying exactly fitness क्या what do you want to achieve आपका
So weight loss.
okay
So should I write weight loss?
weight loss वहाँ पे लीजिए weight loss
So in aim should I write or in the current active should I write?
current active लिखिए and aim में उसका object क्या है that is
Okay, so
the
yeah.
why you are doing it.
Okay, so I can do that.
Yeah. So if
Yeah,
you can
but
quickly,
I think I'll not be able to do with the phone. Maybe I can do it. Let me try if I can do it.
हाँ now it's okay अभी
okay. So yeah, type in fantastic weight loss.
Where is it going? I typed it. Where is it? But okay.
So
Seema, you can double click on the word fitness and then the cursor will come to edit it.
Yeah, I did that now. So weight loss.
we've added it to sorry. में चला गया. Okay. So so no worries.
Yeah, it will take a bit of practice. I mean, I'll get it. I mean, you just have to click again, double click, and just write the text. So replace the text,
Yeah.
or you can cut or copy or paste whatever you want to do. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
yes,
think
yes.
that this is very easily done because I tried out yesterday, and you could do it very easily. Right now, I'm not able to do it on the phone, but if you do it on the laptop, it's so easily
Right.
done that you just click it, and it gets done.
Right. So you Maji, our project here, that is the weight loss project. So you'll write in weight loss.
Should I? I have stopped the screen share. Should I start again?
No, it's okay. You can stop this share. That's is there someone who has a laptop and who can type in very fast and show us a demo of one goal? Jaya, can you do it? Shweta, can you do it?
Yes, I can
Let's
do.
see.
I can do it.
एंड सब लोगों के लिए
Please,
रिक्वेस्ट है कि पॉसिबल है तो लैपटॉप लेके रखिए, अगर नहीं है तो अलग बात है, बट इफ यू हैव वन देन सिट विद द लैपटॉप फॉर द ट्रेनिंग.
Okay, fine. I'll do that.
So thank you. So let's see if there is a
So if you can just share.
Hamza is asking for a chance. Let him give him a chance. He's eagerly waiting for a chance.
Yeah, so Raji is going right. Jaya, just see quickly you can.
Yes. So have you made me the host? So I can. So can you all see it?
Your screen has come up. Fantastic. So take a quickly first. What is this project about?
So this is my Toastmasters. So I had taken up last month to complete level 4, which I did. So this time I have to complete the innovative planning path. And my aim is because I just want to feel accomplish that goal that I've completed my path. My current status is that I have completed level 4s, and my declaration is I will prepare and deliver all level 5 projects by August 31st. Sorry, I have forgot to write your August. And my deadline is 31st August. And my areas of life, it's personal growth. That is the only reason.
Yeah.
It would have been 31st July, but I have decided to attend all these sessions on Sundays. So that is why it is extended to August.
Fantastic. Thank you for giving a walkthrough demonstration. The labels or the headings which are on black, that is current active project and day of life. We have to write it once. So एक बार आप वो लिख लेते हैं. What will keep on changing? What will keep on changing is your current status, your declaration that you're doing for the milestone. So let's say she's saying that prepare and deliver all the levels 5. So this milestone might change and deadline might also change. Okay. So current status, declaration and deadline could change. Now current status, ये आप कब लिखोगे? When you will do the buddy review with your buddy. उसके पहले ही आप यहाँ पे change करोगे. वो meeting के पहले change करोगे, saying that okay, level 4 is complete. Maybe next time it might be level 5 for her. So she might change it. Declaration also she might change it. And deadline also she might change it. So when you're meeting the buddy, what you're doing is you are narrating him or you're telling your narration, your story. Achha, this has happened and this is what I'm changing. You're not doing the clerical activity of copywriting and pasting and typing it over there in front of the buddy. Buddy ke saath, you have to do a rendezvous, kind of a meeting. कि मैंने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया, and buddy has to hold you to the collar saying ये क्यों नहीं हुआ. Okay, so don't get bogged down with the sheet पहले ही complete करके you sit in front of your buddies. Okay? यहाँ अच्छा, और यहाँ पे ये जो आपका deadline है, it has to be a date. It cannot be a text. So if you have written 31st August, go to format and always ensure that it is a date. You got it right? Excel जो use करते हैं, they would get it that it has to be a date. Okay, which is August 31st, right? Yeah, it is still not a date, I suppose. So click on that cell, go to format, menu में format है, and go to numbers. Yeah, and there would be a date. यहाँ पे date select कर दीजिए. हाँ, ऊपर date है, click it. Okay, now it has become a date. So enter it. आपने गलत क्या किया है? 2020 लिखा है. Okay, मतलब ये past का date है.
I got it.
चला गया.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so आप 2021 अगर करेंगे ना, तो you won't believe, वो जो red है वो निकल जाएगा. Red है वो निकल जाएगा. Enter. कैसे निकला? Red क्यों निकला? Because आप बोला था डेडलाइन मेरा हो गया. So जैसे ही होता है, it shows red कि ये तो overdue होके चला गया. So red is kind of a warning कि अरे आपको ये करना चाहिए. Okay,
Right.
any question, any doubt at this point on this?
Yes, understood. I would like more information on declaration. A little
Yes.
more.
So declaration, what is, yeah, declaration is current status आज की तारीख में क्या हो रहा है. Declaration is what I'm declaring, you know, when I'm sitting in with my buddy. So let's say मुझे एक book पढ़नी है. Okay, Power of Subconscious Mind. Okay, Vikas has recommended me this book. I want to read it book. It is 300 page, and I'm saying कि ये मैं July end को पढ़ के complete कर दूंगा. So my deadline is this, and I'm saying कि by next week I'll read 100 pages. So I'm declaring I'm going to read 100 pages, you know, by so and so deadline date. Okay, so next week मैं 100 page पढ़ूंगा, उसके बाद next 100 page पढ़ूंगा. So declaration is how much I'm going to achieve in that milestone. It could be in terms of numbers, it could be in terms of pages, it could be in terms of whatever that is relevant to you. Got it? Have I answered your question?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. और ये आपको complete करना है, fill up करना है, and before doing the buddy review, and when you do buddy review, आपको buddy को बताना है, walk through करना है, you know, what is my project, aim क्या है, current status क्या है, declaration क्या है, deadline क्या है. अच्छा, Jaya, go to declaration and right click on the declaration.
I couldn't hear what you said. Could you please repeat?
Go to declaration,
Right,
prepare, yeah, right click.
right click.
Use your mouse, right click.
Yes.
Yeah, so over here, what you have is show edit history. तो यहाँ पे जाइए, show edit history, click on that.
Yes, I saw.
What it shows is कि पहले यहाँ पे क्या था, what was the history. So your buddy who is doing your review can see कि पिछले time पे क्या था. Now if your deadlines and declaration are remaining same, so what you are doing is you are not moving on your goals, and he can hold you or to your collar कि भाई तुम्हारा गोल आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा है, आपने ये चेंज भी नहीं किया है, ये लास्ट टाइम भी यही बोला था 100 पेजेस पढ़ोगे, अभी भी यही बोल रहे हो 100 पेजेस पढ़ोगे, so you are not there.
Okay. Okay. Now I have one more question. If
What?
can I ask that? This is my
Yeah,
goal
yeah,
for the
please.
next 2 months, maybe. So how do I break it down? And I know it
So-
in my mind, but how do I break it on paper and a paper on the Google sheet?
Yes, so this is your goal, ये आपका goal है, okay, and this is the place where the goal will stay.
Right.
Now you would use a to-do list. Okay, you use a to-do list tool, which could be Asana, which could be Toodledo, which could be anyone that is your preferred and one default. If you remember, first day में मैंने पूछा था, which is your to-do list. So what you have to do is you have to think all the steps, all the actions for you to complete this goal. So write it over there and write it that, okay, it belongs to this project. So let's say you have 25 things that you have to do to keep forwarding on this, working on this goal, and they are in your to-do list. They are clubbed in that project.
Okay.
Got
Yes.
it? Okay, so we have teams. Our training team is there. They will help you work on that. We have super leaders. They'll also work and help you on that. It's exactly 11:56. Guys, I'll take another 10 minutes for us to continue. So can I have your permission? Can we go ahead and do that? Jaya, please bring your screen back again. Okay, so I'll take your permission. I'll take it as yes. For others who have other engagement to leave at 12, they can leave. Your training, you can get your training from our leaders. We'll ensure that you are able to get it for other things also. Okay, so thank you, Jaya. Jaya, go to the measurement sheet. Go to measurement sheet, please. Yeah, so this is the measurement tab. Okay, Jaya, whatever would be, आपका जो initial है, I think it is J and S. So instead of hash, it will be J and S, and M is measurement. So यहाँ पे, if you see, there is a week which is starting from, week which is going to finish. What is the week number? Okay, ये जो तीन चीज है, they are fixed. For 2021, we have fixed official dates. So this current week, it is from 28th June to 4th June, and that week number is 26. अगर आप ये Google करोगे तो आपको ये पता चल जाएगा. Now over here in this, template, what I have done is, there is this plan to win members visualization, and these are the number of people who are attending it.
Right.
Okay, so let's say if I, we have done is, the measurements which are relevant to you, you have to keep on adding. So Jayaji, go to column D and right click. So go to column D, right click over there, insert a column to the right. So no, yeah, column to the right. Yeah, okay, left कर लो, ठीक है. Click on it. Okay.
Right.
So any measurement that is relevant to you at this point. Do you have any measurement? Type it down over there.
Could you please repeat? I could not hear.
Yeah. So any measurement that is relevant to you, type it down.
Regarding that,
measure
regarding my goal, the goal which I have.
Yeah, it could be regarding goal, or it could be anything that is important to you. Say for example, Seema ji जो है, उनका weight loss is one of the goal. So for her, यहाँ पे weight आ जाएगा. Weighing scale पे, she will check her weight and she keep on adding it over here. Okay. Now यहाँ पे I want to put in a disclaimer, guys, in case if you think some of the data of yours is sensitive and confidential, you don't want to have it over here. It's up to you. You need not put it. But if you want to work on body review, body के साथ share करना है, so then do have it. Okay, so you got my point. Anything that is sensitive and confidential, आपको नहीं करना है, you're not comfortable with that, it's up to you. Don't share it. But if there is something that you want to work on, goals or measurement, आपके लिए important है, you will have it over there. Okay, so Jayaji, you have put in follow morning routine. Okay, and
It will be measured, but that I need to.
How will you measure it? Will it be in number of minutes, or will it be done, not done? How are you going to do
So I have
that?
4 things which I usually follow. So I think all 4 things if I do.
So speak out loudly again,
I do
please.
4 things. I practice gratitude. I do the visualization with Vikas or the recorded. I do my yoga, and yes, 10 minutes of my self meditation practice which I follow, that Kriya meditation. So that these are the 4 things which
Okay.
I wish I should do every day.
Yeah. Okay. So in case if you want, you can add in more. Say you can add in more details over here. You can say yoga, and you can say today I did it 15 minutes to today, so this week I did average 15 minutes. Last week I did average 20 minutes. and so on and so
Okay.
forth. Okay, so you can have that kind of a measurement also.
Right.
I'm just giving you idea. So you have to think what is relevant to you, what is making meaning for you.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, so many of us, we might need to think through यहाँ पे थोड़ा सोचने की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि मेरे relevant क्या है, मेरे लिए easy क्या है, because over the in our group I found that there are some of us are very clear. अरे मुझे marathon दौड़ना है तो I'm running 16 kilometers this week. That is my max. So that person will write that over here. There are certain people in our groups who are bit this thing, they there are people who want more thinking to be done कि exactly उनके लिए क्या important है in terms of measurements. So you'll have to think, you'll have to do the introspection, you'll have to think in number wise what numbers I would like to measure. Okay, so reading number of pages could be relevant ones. Okay, so if you are reading a book
Yes.
that you want to finish as a goal, you can have number of pages written.
Yes.
Okay, so one last thing, यहाँ पे आपको ये line chart दिख रही है. So go over there. There is a line chart which is seen.
Can you
Jaya,
help me, please? I did not where it is.
ये जो line chart है, if you click on that,
Line chart.
yeah, line chart, ये जो plan to win member visualization है,
Right. And this?
click on that cell.
Yes. Yes. I got it. Yes. Just below that, right? Huh?
Click on it.
Yes. Should I click right here?
Yeah, click on it. Okay, so press escape. Click कर दिया आपने?
Escape.
हाँ, click कर दिया तो okay, fine. I'll share you later on, not immediately. I think that will go into advanced, but I'll share with you later on कि ये graph आया कहाँ से. Okay, so don't worry about it that you don't know how to get this graph or this line chart at this point. I will share in later training. I don't want us to take in all the advanced level at this point. So any question at this point in terms of measurements, how can you add your measurements and how can you edit the measurement? So यहाँ पे numbers आप डालोगे ना, तो you'll get your measurements. Any questions, doubt on this?
Yes. No, I have a lot of clarity. So this is a weekly chart, and we can even make it for a daily, whether for the whole week, day by day.
Yes. So Hamza is asking वो graph आया कहाँ से? So I'll share it on the chat so that people who are interested, they can use it. The keyword or the formula is Sparkline, SPARKLINE. Okay.
Okay.
Sparkline formula है which I use. How to use it and all those things is advanced level. But those people who are interested to learn advanced level, they can also learn it. Okay, so I'm just putting it on chat so that those who are interested, they can learn and get it. Okay. So
I
fine.
named it this measurement thing. Is this right? Like, is it the right way to do it?
Yes, absolutely. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. And see, next in batch, you will have your team members. So आप करोगे, you will click on the goals list, goals tab or measurement tab, और उनके लिए duplicate बनाओगे. And all their goals and measurements will also come here. And as Geetanjali said, move the whole sheet to plan to win. So that plan to win के पास सारे repository है. Okay, and we are going through each and every sheet. We know whether we got, everyone, each and every person is working on it or not. Okay, so I will hand over this to Darshana. Darshana, please take it so that you can conclude. And if you have things to add, please add to our learning of goals and measurement sheet as well.
So I can stop sharing, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's okay. You can do that.
Arun?
Okay, guys. So quickly, yeah, Seema, you want to say something?
No, this is
Okay.
GK. Darshana,
Yeah.
Arun, I just
Yeah,
needed to
GK.
check the Zoom sharing. Have you, do you want to take it on now or you've done it?
I
The Zoom sharing.
I
The
didn't get it.
Zoom sharing, we have done it now because I shared the
went, right? He made me the
Arun,
host.
Yeah.
the Zoom sharing training
So it
according to
has
Arun is complete.
been done
Yes.
already when
Yeah.
Great. All right. Thank you.
myself and Jaya did the Zoom sharing.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Arun. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Arun, I did make the corrections, and it was lovely to make the corrections, and I got it. I made it on the laptop.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Darshni.
Arun, so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect, guys. Thank you, Seema, Arun, GK for contributing. Okay, so we are about 44 people here. I want to know how many of you are first time here on this meeting. Please type FT. First time on a Sunday training. You don't know what's going on. Who is Arun? Who is GK? Please type FT. FT is first time. Okay. Whether you are, first time, so you don't know. First time, Shambhu. Yes? FT, T for time. F time. I think my voice
FT.
is not audible, is it?
Yeah, I think it's not very clear. It's
Okay.
FT. It's FT. I mean, type
Okay,
FT.
Okay, cool. Lakshmi, thank you. Okay, cool. तो ये सब लोग जो फर्स्ट टाइम है, ओके, 3 लोग नहीं है, काफी लोग हैं फर्स्ट टाइम. So let me tell you, I have been getting chat on my personal message on my WhatsApp also. क्या हो रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छी बात है, great, कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And please hang on here. Every Sunday we meet on this particular platform. अब मुझे बताइए, आप में से
हो जाता है, कोई बात नहीं, तो घबराने
अगर
की
कोई अनम्यूट है
बॉटल
तो
तो लगनी नहीं चाहिए थी, वो
सीमा?
तुम्हें थोड़ा, या सॉरी
सीमा, या थैंक यू. ओके, तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि आप लोग एक वी आर मीटिंग एवरी संडे. तो आप में से कौन है जो ग्रुप पे नहीं है, केरला पब्लिक स्कूल से है या किसी और स्कूल से टीचर्स है, यू आर नॉट इन द ग्रुप? प्लीज टाइप मी, me. Type me in the chat that you are not in this group. You are from outside of the group. So जहां से भी आप आए हैं, we will be giving you the link to the same channel. Okay, if you have come from outside, you are not in this group, you have been brought in by somebody. Okay, get in touch with that person. Yes, very good, Usha. Thank you. Get in touch with that person. We are a part of a group. ठीक है, ये ग्रुप जो है ये अभी लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग में बिजी है. नेक्स्ट मंथ अगस्त में हम लोग ओपन टू ऑल करने वाले हैं. तो कीप कमिंग इन दिस ट्रेनिंग इज ओपन टू ऑल. यस दीपा, थैंक यू दीपा एंड उषा फॉर रिस्पॉन्डिंग. बाकी लोग भी लिखिए FT. तो आपको ये देखना है कि आपको 3-4 ट्रेनिंग के लिए आना पड़ेगा, आना होगा. अरुण, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर योर नंबर सो दैट जिनके लिए पूरी तरह से बाउंसर गया है, we can share the recording with you. Guys, the best thing is आपने जो भी सीखा है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मिलने वाला है. तो ये बहुत स्पेशल नंबर है. ओके, लाखों की कीमत का नंबर है, उसको खोना मत. यस, ये नंबर को आप सेव करिए. अरुण इज फिनोमिनल इन गेटिंग यू ट्रेन्ड. आज कुछ भी नहीं समझा है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपके जैसी थी जब मैं पहली बार आई थी और मुझे तो रोना आता था. कितने लोगों को रोना आ रहा है? रोना आता था, उल्टी जैसे होता था, पता नहीं क्या क्या होता था. ये देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग. बट 1 year into the line I have become proficient. और मेरे पास अरुण नहीं था तभी, मैं खुद ही सीख रही थी. अब हमारे पास अरुण है, हमारे पास जीके है, हमारे पास इतने ब्यूटीफुल लीडर्स हैं. या तो आपको बस ऐसे करना है कि 4 हफ्ते आना है. मुझे प्रॉमिस करिए 4 हफ्ते, लिखिए 4 हफ्ते. जिनको हिंदी नहीं आती है 4 वीक्स. राजलक्ष्मी 4 वीक्स का वादा करो मेरे साथ, है ना. मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि आपको 4थे वीक पे रोना नहीं आएगा. फैंटास्टिक रीना, थैंक यू. मैं अभी रियली, मुझे अभी भी अरुण कभी कुछ हाई फंडा बोलते मुझे उल्टी जैसे होता है और मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझसे खुद से, उससे भी गुस्सा आता है. तो एवरीबडी इज ऑन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म और हम सब आपको हाथ पकड़ के वहां लेके जाएंगे जहां आपको जाना है. ठीक है, परफेक्ट, ग्रेट. तो वी आर मीटिंग नेक्स्ट वीक ऑल्सो. आपने मुझे 10 मिनट ज्यादा दिए हम लोगों को, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड प्लीज बी रेडी, क्योंकि हम जब लाइव चीज पे काम करते हैं थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है, मगर हम इससे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे. ओके, कूल कूल कूल. अरुण का नंबर मिला है आपको? जिसको जिसको मिला है अरुण का नंबर फिर से टाइप करो, मुझे देखना है कितने कितने लोगों ने अरुण का नंबर लिया है. Everybody who has got Arun's number, yes Lakshmi, very good, very good. नहीं, नंबर डालो, नंबर, सरस्वती नंबर डालो. Okay man, good good good, perfect. So Arun, we are guys, you know, thinking of slightly change in the time. Maybe the time will be the same. तो आपको कोई भी टाइम संडे के ट्रेनिंग में इंटरेस्टेड हो, अरुण को एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए, वो आपको बताएगा एग्जैक्टली क्या है. फर्स्ट सोर्स से जिसने आपको आज ट्रेनिंग का लिंक दिया है उसको ही पूछो, जिसने आज दिया उसको ही पूछो. अगर उसने आंसर नहीं दिया तब आप प्रोफेसर अरुण को परेशान कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी अरुण को बहुत परेशान करते रहते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. So this is about it, guys. I declare this meeting complete. We are meeting next Sunday, and we are meeting all the Sundays of this month, where you will get really, really proficient. You're going to dig your feet deep, deep into technology. That's my promise. Yes, Arun?
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect. Thank you. 12:11. You will get the recording also from the source who has given you this meeting. And otherwise, you can ask Arun. Save his number. His name is complete name. Likhiye Arun aap. Arun Kumar. Please write your name so that they can save your name. We are from a group of Plan to Win. Okay. Arun Kumar, Plan to Win डालिए. Plan to Win. Arun ये पूरा डाल दीजिए. They'll save your number. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. और रिकॉर्डिंग आपको लीडर्स को आप अपने मेन ग्रुप पे आ जाएगा. वॉच द रिकॉर्ड. That's about it. I want two people to tell me the takeaway quickly in one sentence. Takeaways, guys. Raise your hand. I will tell you to unmute. Takeaways. Most important. अच्छा, कोई टेकअवे नहीं है? बहुत सारे हैं. I know. One takeaway बहुत difficult है. Yes, great. 3 participants have raised your hand. So yeah, Reena, please go. What's your takeaway?
My takeaway
yes,
is I think I am feeling very much strengthened with knowledge. I mean, Arun is helping me so much that it is incredible. Thank you so much, Arun, for this help. The takeaway I am getting from this is a lot of help and warmth from you people, and that's what matters to me. I feel as if I have been supported from all sides. So thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you. Shweta is telling that it is about the working on calendar and Google Sheet that she has got the confidence. Okay, guys, thank you. So without any further ado, I declare this meeting complete, and we meet next Sunday for another rocking session. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.